Hello friend, welcome to my channel Cost for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics question for the student who is preparing for the Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam. Let's start, and before we start, one thing I would remember you that don't forget to subscribe my channel. Question number 1. Simplify 2.5 divided by 0.5 into 0.1 minus 0.05. Question number 1. 2.5 0.5 into 0.1 minus 0.05, that is 2.5 by 0.5 1, that is 0.5 minus 0.05, that is 540. So B is the right answer. Question number 2. On dividing 93.40 by 0.015, what is the approximate answer? 2. 93.40 divided by 0.015, that is 100, that is 1000. So 0 0 0 0. So it will come 934 into 100 divided by 15. So 523, 3 1 is 3, 3 is 1 1 3. So divided we get 6 2 2 6, that is 6226. So approximately 6000. D is the right answer. Question number 3. 4.4% is equivalent which of the following? Percent, that is 4.4 by 100, it's become 10. So 44 by 1000, that is 0.044. So B is the right answer. Question number 4. What is the decimal equivalent of 1 whole 5 by 8? 4. 1 whole 5 by 8, that is 13 by 8. 13 divide 1 8 5, just 0.50, 48 2 2 16 4 45. So 1.625. So B is the right answer. Question number 5. An engine pumps out 84,500 liter of water in an hour. The engine is run for 10 hours a day. How many liter of water will it pump out in 5 days? Question number 5. Simply we multiplied it, 84,500 into 10 hours a day for 5 days. So it's become 845,000 into 5. This become 1 2 3 5 is 25, 5 carry 2 20 carry 2 42. So 42 to 5 000, that is 42 lakhs 25,000. So C is the right answer. At the start of the of a journey, the meter of a car reads 678.3 km. At the end of the journey, the meter reads 914.5 km. What was the distance covered by the car? So we simply subtracted this from this number, so it's become 914.5 678.3. It's become 2 236.2 kilometer. So A is the right answer. 7. A moped cost rupees 17,250. A scooter cost 3,750 more. What is the total cost of moped and scooter? So 7. Moped cost 17,250. Cost of scooter TE, that is 1750 plus 3,750, that is 0. It's become 0 0 0 21,000. So total cost of scooter and moped is 21,000 plus 17,250, that is 05283, 38,250, 38,250. D. What is the smallest 5-digit number which can be formed with the digit 4, 0 and 7? So smallest 5-digit number, so we have to write smallest number, that is 4 first, after that put 0 0 0 7. 5 digit we have to put 0 0 over the 7. So A is the right answer. Question number 9. A shopkeeper bought 15 table at the rate of rupees 500 each and 20 chair at the rate of rupees 300 each. He spent 50 on transportation. He sold the table and chair at a flat rate of rupees 380 each. What is gain or loss? So 9. Cost price of table, that is 500 into 15, that is 7,500. Chair, that is 300 into 20, that is 6,000. And transportation, that is 50. It's become 0 5 5 13, 13,550. So SP selling price, that is 380. Total item 20 plus 15, that is 35. So it's become 380 into 35, 0 0 19, 0 4 11. It's become 0 0 3 3 1. 3,300. So loss is 13,550, that is 13,300. It's become 250. So C is the right answer. Question number 10. A man borrows 6,000 from his friend. He agreed to pay it back after 8 months together with simple interest at 8% per annum. What amount will he pay back? So 10 principal, that is 6,000, time, that is 8 months, or 8 by 12 year, rate, that is 8%. So interest equal to PTR by 100, that is 6,000 into 8 by 12 into 8 by 100, that is 0.05. So it becomes 64 into 5, that is 320. So he have to return 6,000 plus 320, it's become 0.236. So 6,320. B is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.